Hi, my name is Marilyn, and I'm from Greenwood, Indiana, and I have been a customer of Peterman Heating and Cooling for over 20 years, and I've had my furnace and air conditioning serviced with a service agreement for each year. And about 4 years ago, I needed a new furnace and air conditioner, and they advised me about what kind to put in. And I said I didn't want a noisy one, and they recommended one that wasn't too noisy with a high efficiency furnace. And another thing I like about Peterman, the repairmen always come in, they have booties on their shoes and they don't track in. And when they work on your furnace or service it, they don't make a mess. And if they do, it's always cleaned up when they leave. Another thing that I like about Peterman is I think that they are honest. And if they don't, another company had told me I needed a new furnace. And also this company had made a mess, and when I asked them about cleaning it up, they said they did not do it. I felt like they lied, not only about that, but about other things. So I switched to the company, and when I talked to Peterman about the furnace, he said it would probably last for years. When they do tell me there's something's the matter, then I do believe them, because I knew that they could have put a new furnace in at that point in time, but they didn't. And I've also recommended Peterman to other people that I know. And if I knew anybody else, I would still recommend them.